Hello Roosevelt students, this is Mr. Roble with another video lab. Today I'm going to be doing the lab that's called Substances Stations with you. And so the lab is pretty basic. There are a few research questions that you have to complete at first, and these come directly from your notes, so check in your notes. Also, if you have the accelerated version, it does look a little bit different from this one, but it follows the same kind of idea. So it's really basic. So all we did in class was we went from one station to the next, and what you have to do is you have to, at each station, decide whether you're looking at a pure substance or a mixture. So you circle or check one or the other. You can't check both or circle both, it's one or the other. And then whichever one you circle or check, you have to decide one more step. So if you circle pure substance, then you have to decide if you're looking at an element or a compound. If you circle mixture, you have to decide if it's homogeneous or heterogeneous. You can't have pure substance and homogeneous, for example, or mixture and element. It does not work. You have to pick one of these two first, pure substance or mixture, and then whether it's an element or compound if you pick pure substance, or homogeneous or heterogeneous if you pick mixture. And of course you need to have why. So we'll start with the first one. The first one is silver. So you all probably know what silver is, but here is a picture that we used in class of silver. And so kind of look at that silver ingot there. So we're looking just at silver for number one. So again, is it a pure substance or is it a mixture? If you pick pure substance, is it an element or a compound? If you pick mixture, is it homogeneous or heterogeneous? Number two, and of course remember you can pause this video so that you can write your answers down. Number two is Lucky Charms. So I'm just showing you the mixture in the picture, or kind of gave you a little bit of a clue there, I guess, but I'm showing you the picture of what Lucky Charms looks like from the box. So that's number two. Number three, cookies and cream ice cream. You've all probably seen this before, but here's a picture of cookies and cream ice cream. Number three is salt water. So here I have a bottle that has some salt and some water in it. So number four is salt water. Number five is salt, sand, and water. So I have three things in here. I have salt, I have sand, and I have water. And again, that's number five. Number six is soil. So here's the soil. Again, think about what soil is. It's basically dirt. So try to think about what the stuff might be in dirt. So that's number six. Number seven is oil and vinegar salad dressing. So you can kind of see that layer down at the bottom there. So the oil and the vinegar is separating. So it's kind of like Italian salad dressing. And that's number seven. Number eight is Skippy creamy peanut butter. So it's not crunchy, it's the creamy peanut butter. And again, that is number eight. Number nine is distilled or purified water. So we all kind of know what water is, but we're talking about purified water here, or distilled water. So something that's ran through maybe a filter. Number 10 is perfume. So you can think of any perfume that you may have seen before. This is just a picture of some different types of perfume, but any perfume or cologne that you can think of is what we're looking at for number 10. Number 11 is baking soda, and it says right on your sheet, it says NaHCO3, so that might be a little bit of a clue for you with baking soda. But right there on number 11, it says those letters, and that might help you kind of assess whether you have a pure substance or a mixture, and so on. And the last one is copper. So here I have a piece of copper pipe. So copper, what is that? A pure substance or a mixture? And there are a couple questions at the end, so two analysis questions. And there we go, so two of them. And of course remember that there are the research questions up at the top. Again, during this video, you're probably going to need to pause it because I was going fast, but that's kind of the nice thing about the videos is you can pause it and rewind if you missed something. But of course, if you have any questions, ask your teacher. Otherwise, hopefully it goes well. And remember, you can download this lab from your teacher's websites if you don't have the lab. Have a good day.